Hello and welcome to Middle Age Geek Girl. This week I am testing out a miniature box set kit that I picked up from Banggood sometime last year. I've been wanting to do miniatures for a while and aim to eventually do custom room designs where you take a room kit that's a pretty floral room and turn it into like a BDS dungeon or a murder scene. So I thought the best way to get the skill level up is to start small. So I picked up a couple of box kits and this is the first one I'm attempting. So included in the box you get the actual tin the scene is to be created in, a little stand that's designed like a rabbit, a very detailed instruction manual. It is all in Chinese, however the pictures are quite detailed, so it made it easy to follow without needing to translate any instructions. You get the glue and all of the supplies you need. There were some supplies that were different to those listed in the instruction manual, such as the pebbles are seen as quite chunky, but what I got was more like a sand mix. The actual label of the piece, called Assembly of Happiness, was misprinted, completely the wrong font, so it didn't actually fit in the sticker area of the sign part it was supposed to fit into. And things like some of the tree figurines were not as bushy as they come across in the kit. So you'll see that throughout the video as I make the piece. So for now, I'll turn it over to a speed making and please enjoy the process. And there you have it, the completed piece. So I am really proud of this effort. As I mentioned earlier, it was my first attempt. I did change up glues, as you'd notice from the glue that they provided to super glue, for two reasons. Number one, super glue obviously dries a lot faster, so I could continually make the project, where their glue you'd have to wait a good 8 to 12 hours for it to dry before you moved on, and I'm impatient. But also, their glue stunk like rotten fish guts. It was disgusting. So I really couldn't use it that often. The smell was just horrible. Super glue has a slight smell, but nothing compared to the glue that was supplied in the kit. I'm also very proud of myself, as I did extremely basic wiring to get the lights to work, but yet I still did it. I was not going to do it at one point. I thought I would just not even try, but I gave it a go and it worked first go. So I'm extremely proud of my effort on that one. It is a cute little box theatre. So I'm very excited to try another one. I'll probably do another 2 or 3 kits like this just to get used to how they work, and then I'll try and move on to customizing the other kits into a style I like. So yeah, there is my Assembly of Happiness box theatre miniature. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about what you thought about the little miniature. Do you do these yourself? Would you like to see me make more on the channel? In the meantime, please stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.